The name of this man is Ram Kumar Verma.
My name is fantastic.
My name is Minhal Hashim and my profession I'm massage therapist.
My name is Salim and I work on the internet. I'm soon going to start with money exchange.
He is selling some garland here, and these are the spiritual garland.
It's my job. Also, I like it, my job. I like small is money, but I like a lot of people. He's happy, I'm happy. So it is nice.
I am doing here Vedic astrology, palm reading, handwriting analysis with signature, Vedic ritual, Vastu. Vedic ritual, what was the meaning of Vedic ritual? Every human being traveling on the earth, but in daily life, everyone face lot of problems regarding his or her life. Yes? So sometimes human being needs some blessing by God. God means nature. So for that condition, we will hear chanting mantra chanting, and perform yajna. We collect energy from the universe, and that energy will be very useful for human being. Or if someone facing some problem in his and her life, that time. Suppose if I pray water, and water is the part of nature, so definitely water protects us. This is my work. I got 18 years experience in my work.
I was working in the television in Bombay as an actor before this. I quit the job. I did not like it so much because it was the same kind of work every day. But then I chose to work with the tourists because then I can see most of the world right here in my store. Everyone comes here and they share with me the religion, the languages, the culture and everything. So I think it's never boring. Like if I'm sitting in a bank from 9 to 5, it's not a kind of job I can do. But this is something what I would love to do all my life. I can do with very much dedication.
It's my country, very nice country. I like it's my country.
I really like my country and I really like my lifestyle. My lifestyle is very good.
This country I think is the best country. We have everything here. All the languages, all colors, all the people living together. A lot of love.
जो बोल देते हैं
अरे अब तो साल 2 साल में यहाँ से जो ऊपर वाले हम तो कह रहे हैं हाथ पैर सही सलामत रहे जो उनके हाथ पैर भी खाली हो रही है जाओ जो है अपना.
He is thinking he will be happy and his all body part will be okay, and after some year he is pray with God. I am at this time he is 80-year-old. Yes, and he has only one desire. His body will fit in completely fit body. He will left this earth planet. And he has no big desire regarding his life.
I like Indian life. I like Indian people. I like every people. Everything is fantastic.
Indian lifestyle, I have never been out of India, so I cannot say anything about the other countries' lifestyle, but still some people they have very good life here in India and some people they don't have. So I think my personal view is what I see is that everyone should have an equal lifestyle wherever they live, no matter in India or
क्या बताया है दुआरी में
जो आपका मन करता है, क्या महसूस करते हो? गाय चल रही, कुत्ता चल रहा है,
गाय भी चल रही है, कुत्ता भी चल रहा है, बिल्ली भी चल रही है, बंदर भी घूम रहे हैं. मतलब अच्छे लगते हैं मतलब. और क्या है?
He like all animal, dog, cats, cow. He like animal. He is thinking everyone is all thing is good. Those God give us for this?
I like animal in nature, but every animal is a nature. If not, is a different. But I like his animal is nature.
I'm also doing here astrology. In astrology, how I will read astrology? I will read the movement of planet in the universe, and planet is also part of the nature and universe. Yes. So we have deep connections. Sun rays affect us. Motion of moon affect us. Moon is connected with our mind. Yes. Due to moon, water level is up and down. You saw. We are more close. These are the significant that we are the more close with nature. When solar and moon eclipse happen in the universe, animal, birds, human beings feel uneasy. You read that? You feel different? When moon and solar eclipse happen in the universe, that time everywhere is silent. Mostly animal and bird feel uneasy. Uneasy that time. Meaning we are more close to nature.
I love also animals. Everyone, yeah, nature.
I love animals. I have a pet as a dog. But I feel sorry for them sometimes when I see them on the streets. No house to live, nothing to eat. I am planning soon to start an organization to help animals and children which don't have any home and have nothing to eat. I feel really sorry that people treat them not good in India. This is probably one thing I would like to change in my country very soon. Animals who cannot speak anything, who cannot say they are hungry, who cannot say they are ill or they are weak or they are sick, they are not treated properly in this country. So people should change this. They beat them with a stick. The dogs are not treated good. They kick them. The cows and all the cats walking around not having any monkeys. It's seriously heartbreaking for me sometimes. So yes, as a person, as a human being, I just can request my neighbors and people I know that respect animals because they are, I think, probably the best friends which humans can ever have. So I think they should respect them and they should give or help them in any ways they can. And about nature, as you can see, I don't have space here, but I planted some trees. In my home I have a big garden in which I have plenty of trees. If it was on me, I would plant trees everywhere on the street. No place to walk. But I would personally always be keen or always be pleasure to live in the jungle as Mowgli or as anything. So yes, I love nature. This is the way I think everyone should think, that without this it is nothing. I was dying to have plants here. When it was empty, it was like no life in my office. But now I have some.
He's telling you are Brazilian is very good citizen. He liked Brazilians and he had best wishes for Brazilians.
I have many students from Brazil, and everybody is very good and very intelligent.
I have met a lot of Brazilians who come here with Prem Baba, and they are looking for peace and I think love with him in India, or I don't know where. So I think it's not just in Brazil, but everywhere in the world is missing some relations or love or closeness to people, bonding with each other. It's missing everywhere. I feel lonely sometimes, even if I have my family, my friends, but the bonding which used to be or which I used to hear before in the past is not there anymore. That's why people are coming to India and they are getting more and more into the religion and into the gurus and seeking these kind of attention. So I would just request everyone to respect their relations, to respect everyone around. And
Brazilian people are very innocent, humble or nice. I have some friends, many friends I have, and many of them visit at my place. Brazilian is innocent, I think. Also charming, beautiful. Sometimes I think Brazilians' feature of is little similar to like India. Yes. Face cut is little similar to like Indians, but only change of color.
His message? I think all for in the Brazil, in the India, all is the people is happy, so I'm happy. So this is my message for the Brazil. Fantastic, huh? Fantastic, just Allah. This is nice. Everything is fantastic, bombastic, Allah.